Good morning, friends. Today start the type of the substance. First is the man-made substance, another is the natural substance. Firstly, I will discuss in the previous period what is meant by natural substance and what is meant by man-made substance. Now, earlier a cape made up of glass or sackcloth were used for the protection from rain. The cloth umbrella come into use nowadays. The raincoat, school bag and the book cover you use can all the made from the plastic. Delicate article, perishable fruits, etc. require packing to pack TV set, refrigerator, etc. Big cartoon and thermocols are being used. All these are man-made substances. These substances are waterproof, of water resistance, lightweight, and easy to transfer. That is why they are being used increasingly. That means man-made substances are fastly used. That means which time there are the use, that means the packing of the refrigerator, packing of the TV set, then formation of the cartoon, thermocols, and lightweight man-made up substance are the use mostly waterproof and resist of the waters. There are the use. They need use in your brain. There are substance, two types substance. First, completely the table below showing how substance of daily use are classified. Substance in daily use. First, substance in daily use means there are the two type of the substance in daily use. One is the man-made and next is the natural substance. One is a natural substance and another is a man-made substance. Then natural substance, man-made substance. Natural substance two type, abiotic and biotic. Man-made substance is a artificial. They prepare from the man. It is known as the artificial substance. There are the natural substance. One is a abiotic and biotic. Means biotic and abiotic. Biotic means living things. There are the two types of the living things. One is the plant origin, another is the animal origin. One is the plant origin and another is the animal origin. Next, plant origin means paper and animal origin means leathers. Okay, that means substance in daily use. हम जो सब्सटेंस यूज करते हैं डेली, विच टाइप ऑफ द सब्सटेंस, वन इज अ नेचुरल सब्सटेंस एंड अनदर इज अ मैन मेड सब्सटेंस. Natural substance means what is by natural substance? Fruits. Fruits are the natural substance. Or plants wood, plants bark, leaves, there are the natural. But abiotic and biotic, then plants is the biotic means living, abiotic means plants wood. Plants would cut the plant formation of this wood, it is known as the abiotic. And one is the biotic means living and non-living. Then living is the two types. Which type of the plants is the living and animal is the living. Then next, plants, the formation of the substance in the plants means plants से जो सब्सटेंस फॉर्मेशन होता है उनका वन उदाहरण, दैट मीन्स एग्जाम्पल्स कौन सा है? पेपर. हम पेपर जो फॉर्म करते हो किससे बनता है? प्लांट से. एंड लेदर, शूज, लेदर से शूज, बेल्ट, वो किससे बनता है? दैट मीन्स एनिमल्स. ओके, दैट मीन्स यूज इन योर ब्रेन. नेक्स्ट, ग्लास कैन बी made from sand and calcium carbonate. However, sand and calcium carbonate cannot be obtained again from glass. Glass made from glass formation कैसे किया जाता है? ये देखो, glass can made from calcium carbonate, sand and calcium carbonate. However, then this glass are the or this glass they written calcium and sands are separate out? No. That means the glass are made up from sands and calcium carbonate. Then again from the glass cannot be obtained again from the glass. Next, you must have observed green chilies or tomatoes turning red after some time. Have you ever see or hear of red tomatoes becoming green again? फर्स्ट टोमेटो कैसा रहता है? ग्रीन, फिर वो रेड बन जाता है. रेड से फिर ग्रीन होता है क्या? नो. दैट मीन्स चेंजेस, देर आर द नेचुरली चेंजेस ऑफ द सब्सटेंस. फर्स्ट सब्सटेंस इज tomato is a green, but the changes to the reds, then red is returned to the green? No. That means there are the permanently changes. It is known as the natural changes of the substance. Next, the change occurs while making man-made substance or properties of constituent undergo change. These change occur due to certain chemical reaction. These changes in the property are permanent, that is, original constituent substance cannot be obtained again from the new substance. Such a change are called as irreversible changes. One is a reversible changes, another is a irreversible changes. Reversible changes means first in the water add of the soil, or in the soil add of the water, then there are the waters and soils are the separate out, it is known as a reversible or irreversible reversible changes. But another example, then sugar are mixed in the water, there are the dissolve in the water but they do not separate out sugars and water, there are the irreversible changes. There are the two type of the substance, one is the sand, another is the calcium carbonate. Sand and calcium carbonate mix to each other and chemical reactions are the takes place, formation of the glass, but glass are the break, then calcium carbonate and sands are the separate out, no, it is known as a irreversible reaction. Reversible and irreversible changes means, reversible means there are the change, that means the sand and water, then again waters are the separate out and sands are the separate out, it is known as a reversible. Another irreversible example, that means net green tomato red, but red tomato do not convert into the green, it is known as the irreversible changes. There are the substance, the changes is a permanent, it is known as a irreversible, but the changes is a temporary, it is known as a reversible changes. Then example of man-made substance, area of the use, construction. The natural substance, bamboo, stones, soil, wood, coconut, ferns and limes. There are the natural substance, but man-made substance, brick, cement, concrete, galvanized sheet, clay, steel, plastic, absorbed sheet. There are the man-made substance. Then writing material. Writing material means tree bark, leaves, bhojpatra, pen made up from the reeds, dulpatya, stone, slate, stone wall is cave soil and colors made from the plants. There are the naturals substance, and man-made up mean pen, pencil made up from plastic material, fiber material, notebook. Their notebook is made from the plants, but they're made from the artificially. It is known as a artificially. That means man-made substance. Thread, fibers and yarn, coconut, silk, wool. There are the naturals, but coconut, silk and wool, they are